Have you ever thought about starting your own Frank's Burger franchise in the Philippines? Picture this, the smell of freshly grilled patties wafting through the air, the satisfying crunch of a perfectly toasted bun, and the taste of a mouth-watering, gourmet burger that's made to perfection. This could be your reality, and it's easier to achieve than you might think. First things first, you need to secure the necessary permits. The Philippines is known for its stringent business regulations, and food franchises are no exception. You'll need to apply for a business permit from the local government, a sanitary permit from the Department of Health, and a clearance from the National Police. Next, it's all about location. The Philippines is a country of over 7,000 islands, each with its own unique culture and taste preferences. So, where should you set up your Frank's Burger franchise? Well, you'll want to consider highly populated areas with a high volume of foot traffic, like shopping malls, university districts, or bustling city centers. Preferably try and get a location near college campuses or civil service government buildings. You can even secure locations near night markets and barangay halls. Now, let's talk about startup costs. Starting a Frank's Burger franchise in the Philippines starts with a franchise fee that ranges from 99,000 pesos for a food cart concept to 180,000 pesos for a single store license agreement. This includes the franchise fee, construction costs, equipment, initial inventory, and marketing costs. The application process for burger franchise includes filling up a confidential questionnaire and sending it together with a letter of intent. The issuers then review the application, discuss franchise details, present the franchise disclosure information, evaluate the proposed location, execute the franchise agreement, commencing outlet setup and staff training, providing pre-opening and marketing assistance, and finally, the grand opening. The franchise agreement also covers regular supply of ingredients like the patty, bread, grinded meat and sausages. The ingredients are supplied on demand, depending on how fast you sell out your inventory. But don't let the startup costs deter you. The profit margin for a Frank's Burger franchise can be quite impressive. The raw ingredients required to make one burger cost 31 pesos. With an average selling price of 45 pesos per burger, you're looking at a gross profit margin of 30%. Which means you take home 13.5 pesos for every burger sold. Now, you may be wondering about the market size and potential for growth. Well, the fast food industry in the Philippines is booming, and it shows no signs of slowing down. The market size is expected to reach a whopping 1 billion pesos by 2029. And with the growing middle class and their increasing disposable income, the potential for growth is tremendous. So, to summarize, starting a Frank's Burger franchise in the Philippines involves securing the necessary permits, finding the perfect location, covering the startup costs of 99 to 180,000 pesos, and capitalizing on the impressive profit margin. And with a booming market size and potential for growth, your Frank's Burger franchise could be the next big thing in the Philippines fast food scene.